Hello folks, invite back to Shiba Inu Crypto Shibarium Discharge Declaration from top Shiba Inu designer transport news. Shiba Inu is right now the second biggest image coin, which filled in as the motivation behind this digital money. Since its presentation into the crypto market, it has truly established itself and developed stunningly digital money novices and devotees that couldn't hop on the dogecoin cart before its bullish run was drawn to Shiba Inu. Like the greater part of the digital forms of money in the market, Shiba Inu has rewarded the world over the long run through various help drives and gifts. Towards the finish of the second quarter of this current year, Shiba Inu reported the send-off of their game that would be accessible on both the Apple Application Store and Google Play Store. In this video, we will discuss the Shibarium Discharge Declaration from top Shiba Inu engineer transport news. Remember to crush the thumbs up, share, and buy into the feed to see our most recent substance on Shiba Inu prize expectations and master examination right away. We should start the video starting from the beginning of the last month of the year. The Shiba Inu token Shib has ascended by more than 28 against its section partner Dogecoin Transport, showed a major expansion in December following 3 months of persistent tumbles to Doge by very nearly 65 aggregately. Then in pre-fall, the Shiba Inu token arrived at its most elevated esteem in a year, exchanging at $0.00022 to evade, and now that figure is just half as high. In the pre-winter, Dogecoin had the high ground when the Symbolic's primary representative Elon Musk concluded a DLT by Twitter, quickly producing a ton of bits of hearsay about the utilization of digital currencies on the famous interpersonal organization and supporting the cost of Doge by 100%, and all the more since the publicity has subsided and the capricious, extremely rich person is pondering venturing down as chief of Twitter. The Doge story is blurring out of spotlight, giving a pass to Shib with its news bombs. One of those unexploded shells is Shibarium Tales implies in scrambled messages which surfaced all the more frequently to a great extent close to the furthest limit of the year. Initially, Shibarium should be delivered as soon as the second from last quarter of this current year anyway. As per the designer's, additional time is required for the delivery to go flawlessly promptly. It appears to be that there were chances that apparently before the year's end, when the quiet of the designers was interfered with by different clues, and the commencement showed up on the fundamental page of the Shiba Inu site. Now clearly the hotly anticipated convention won't show up until 2023. As the digital money market plans to close quite possibly of its most terrible year in history on a negative note, Shiba Inu has figured out how to break out of the descending pattern of ongoing weeks by accomplishing unassuming additions on its day-to-day graphs. Simultaneously, the digital money local area at CoinMarketCap holds its bullish demeanor for the finish of the initial month of 2023, projecting that Shiba Inu would exchange at a typical cost of 0.0001102 on January 31st, 2023, according to the information got on December 30th, assuming that the local area's expectations, the gathered consequence of 1137 part casts, a ballot cast, end up right. This would address an increment of in addition to 0.00003008, or in addition to 37.53 to the cost of Shiba Inu at the hour of distribution. As things stand, Shib is changing hands at the cost of 0.0008016, up 0.97 over the past 24 hours, yet down 3.61 across the week and 13.26 contrasted with 1 month before, with a market cap of $4.4 billion. Regardless of the local area's hopeful forecasts, the technicals of exchanging sees 1 month checks point at areas of strength for an at 7, summed up by oscillators showing a foam and 1 and moving midpoints in the solid sell zone at 6. In the meantime, Shiba Inu is one of the main 3 most watched cryptos for 2022 on Binance, as brokers were searching for data on the best way to purchase transport, this way situating the computerized resource in the organization of the crypto area's biggest coins by market uppercasing Bitcoin and Ethereum. The lead designer of the famous Shiba Inu digital currency has as of late met with engineers from Unification to examine the send-off of Shibarium, a layer 2 arrangement. Lead Shiba Inu engineer Satoshi Kusama is preparing for a significant send-off. In a new tweet, Kusama declared that he had a gathering with engineers from the unification establishment to conclude and send off Shibarium, a Layer 2 arrangement exceptionally soon. The news has proactively made some buzz inside the Shiba Inu local area. The cost of BOT has flooded 2% throughout the course of recent hours, beating other top cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Shibarium is supposed to be one of the most aggressive advancements in the Shiba Inu biological system, and Kusama's group is buckling down on it. The Layer 2 arrangement will give clients quicker exchanges at lower costs, permitting them to profit from a superior client experience. For the present, financial backers are looking out for new updates about Shibarium's improvement progress, and Kusama's group is as of now bustling adjusting onboarding and settling the much advertised Layer 2 arrangement before its delivery, as revealed by You Today. The lead designer of the cryptographic money image as of late wished everybody an extraordinary and glad Christmas season. Simultaneously, he was happy to report that the much anticipated Shibarium, a Layer 2 arrangement, would be prepared very soon, yet not during this vital period, for families to hang out. Merchants and financial backers in Shiba Inu, drawing in what 2023 would bring for the K9 image advanced resource, which has gone through a hard fix as of late alongside numerous other cryptographic forms of money. In 2022, Shib has seen an expansion in the quantity of holders its consume rate whale exchanges, an all-out volume of exchanges passing on financial backers to expect business as usual in 2023. For example, in October, Swell detailed that Shiba Inu had added north of 100,000 holders in 2022 in spite of cost swings, and the 27th of December, now installments, a non-custodial crypto installment passage, declared plans to permit clients to pay for Netflix and Spotify memberships, and transport is a multi-chain digital currency with an enormous client base and quick exchanges, as per specialists buying into administrations that acknowledge the BOT token as an installment technique might help. Now, installments, repeating installments, can likewise be utilized by organizations and people utilizing repetitive installments. They can make separate charging represents clients or clients and permit them to top up these records utilizing their favored digital money. To utilize transport for installments is on the ascent and reaches from vehicle sales centers to the worldwide metaverse created by Shiba Inu. Transport proprietors can utilize their BOT resources for buy extravagance vehicles from brands, for example, Bentley, Aston Martin, Koenigsegg, and more, because of selective auto bunches association with BitPay. As of now, use cases are sufficiently not to address the issues of BOT proprietors. Furthermore, an ever-increasing number of organizations need to coordinate installments with ships. The use pace of Shiba Inu has expanded by 68, as a huge number of BOTs have been moved to dead wallets. In the beyond 24 hours, nearly 22,465,336 BOT tokens have been scorched, and the quantity of exchanges finished was 8. Elon Musk's abundance has kept on declining at record levels after he lost the title of the world's most extravagant man after Tesla shares experienced their greatest one-day decline since October. His total assets dropped by $8.8 billion. The most recent auction demolishes Musk's concerns subsequent to losing the world's most extravagant man title to extravagance financier Bernard Arnault on December 13th. Musk's misfortunes in 2022 have now hit $140 billion, outperforming his benefits from 2021, when his fortune rose to one of the biggest in written history. As per the Bloomberg Tycoons file, the Tesla chief's total assets has dropped to its least level in over 2 years. Tesla posted its most exceedingly terrible day in 8 months on Tuesday, as portions of the business dropped to their most reduced level in over 2 years. The electric vehicle creator has lost the greater part of its worth starting from the beginning of October. Financial backers stress that Musk is investing a lot of energy in Twitter now that he is the organization president and proprietor. Since arriving at a record high in November 2021, Tesla's discussion has dropped by 73% over 2 times however much the Nasdaq has fallen. The stock is down 69% in 2022. That is a wrap for now. Remember to crush the thumbs up, share, and buy into the feed to see our most recent substance.